Today I'll be reading Awasis and the World Famous Bannock by Dallas Hunt and Amanda Strong. For Newcomb, Helen McCree. For Orlovine, Bouquet. Awasis spends every Sunday with Kukum. On Sunday, Kukum asks Awasis to make some of her world-famous bannock for a relative. Along the way, Awasis jumps over rocks. She ran through fields and skipped over bridges. But then, while she was having so much fun, Awasis dropped Kukum's world-famous bannock off a bridge. Awasis saw that she had lost Kukum's world-famous bannock. She started to cry. Just then, Sissip waddled by and noticed Awasis crying. "Tansi Nitotem," Sissum quacked. "What's the matter?" Awasis replied, "I lost Newcomb's world-famous bannock. What do I do?" "Don't worry," Sissip quacked. "I don't have any bannock, but I do have some Totosapap Meham, and I'm pretty sure that's in bannock." Awasis smiled and gratefully accepted Sissip's offering. Awasis continued on her way. Just then, she saw Wapos hopping to and fro. "Tansi Nitotem," Awasis said. "Do you know where I can find some bannock?" Wapos stopped hopping and replied, "Nanoya, Awasis, but I have some Askipaquescan, and I'm pretty sure that's in bannock." Awasis gratefully took Wapos's offering. She rubbed Wapos's belly and continued on her way. At the stream, Awasis saw Awasis jumping from stone to stone. "Tatsi Nitotem," Awasis yelled. "Do you know where I can find some bannock?" Awasis stopped in her leaps and croaked, "Namoya, Awasis, but I have some Sequincan, and I'm pretty sure that's in bannock." Awasis gratefully accepted Awasis' offering. Awasis jumped over the tiny stream and continued on her way. Awasis walked into the forest. In the branches of a tall tree, she spotted Oho drifting off to sleep. "Tansi Nitotem," Awasis whispered. "Do you know where I can find some bannock?" Oho awoke and looked down at Awasis. They swiveled their head back and forth and hooted. "Namoya, Awasis, but I have some Sewitaktan, and I'm pretty sure that's in bannock." Awasis gratefully received Oho's offering, but frowned a bit. "What's wrong?" Oho asked. Awasis replied, "I have all these ingredients, but no bannock." "Nokom is going to be so disappointed." Oho hooted and laughed. "But Awasis, your Kukum's recipe is so famous, even I've heard of it. Truth be told, I can hear very well. You have most of the ingredients now, but check with your Kukum first." And Oho flew away. Awasis raced straight home. No jumping on rocks or skipping over bridges. She stumbled through the door. "I'm sorry, Kukum. I dropped your world-famous bannock off a bridge. I asked many animal friends for help to find some more, but they gave me all these ingredients instead." Kukum laughed. "It's okay, Nusisum. We can make some more together. But we still need some Tokosapoi." Just then, Kokum and Awasis heard a knock at the door. It was Masqua with some Tokosa boy, offering it to both of them. Kokum laughed some more. Then she and Awasis began to make world-famous Bannock to share with Awasis's new friends. And here is a recipe for Kokum's world-famous Bannock. 1 cup of margarine, 5 to 6 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups milk. So if you're up for a challenge, this is a wonderful recipe. And that is Awasis and the World Famous Bannock by Dallas Hunt and Amanda Strong.